Welcome back to this last lecture of this section where we talk about some of the remaining topics that is needed to be covered. So first of all, let's clear all these things and let's create a proper Python file and execute it. So to clear that, what you need to do is if you want to clear all the cells, you need to just use this disconnect and delete runtime here. And when you click yes here, first of all, what the thing happen is it's first reconnect. And to delete that, what you need to do is just type delete delete here and deleting all the cell. And so let's create a first of all, let's create a new section here. So create a new section here. What the section name we want to give to this? So let's think about it. Advanced deep learning. Just type in here. Now let's create a basic Python code here, not too much fancy. So let's take input enter digit 45. Let's do the same thing for B. 2. Now when you're entering all this thing, the value is stored automatically in this variables, and you can also see the variables from this variable section and when you hover over it, you can see the particular value of it. So like that. So there's a lot of easy interpretation in this Google Colab notebook, and you can also do operations you want. So for example, a plus b and a minus b, a lot of things. And let's create, for example, a loop here for in range 10 print I am, and there's a simple loop. Now you can try a lot of things here. Google Colab notebooks, lots of Python codes. You can just write any Python codes here. I think you can do in your local machines in Python or in VS Code. You can also do it with the help of this Google Colab notebook. So simple as that. You can also run this Google Colab notebook or this Python notebook into your VS Code. What you need to do is just hover over it file and just download it. So when you click on download, you can either download in the Python file or plain scripting file or in the Python notebook file. So I'm downloading in this Python notebook file, and when I download it, you can give the path, your desired path and your desired name, ABCD. When you hit save, you can just open that particular notebook with the help of this VS Code, or you can share it, or you can also open with the help of this other IDE that support Python notebook. So, and you can also rename this Google Colab notebook. For example, I want to rename it into a ABCD. So when you enter this, it is automatically renamed. You can edit a lot of things here. For example, you can delete selected cell. So let's say I'm selected to this cell, and when I delete this, and my cell is deleted. You can select all the cells and automatically delete it. And you can also control Z it. You can also clear all the output of all the cells. For example, let's say 6 plus 7, 66 multiplied by 0, 3 divided by 5. And I want to clear the output of all the cells that our Google Colab notebook contain. If you want to clear the output of particular cell, you can just click on this cross button here like that. But if you want to clear the output of all the cells, you need to just click on the edit and just use clear all output. You can also upload a notebook here. So for example, the notebook that we previously saved by using this download option, you can also upload from here also. And you can do a lot of things here. You can just move to the bins or delete this particular notebook. You can save a copy in your drive. So for example, the account that is linked with your drive, the same account that is linked with your drive is automatically synced with your Google Colab notebook. So for example, when you click on this save a copy in your drive, this Google Colab notebook is backup automatically. There is option of save a copy in the GitHub gist, save a copy in the GitHub. So this, if you link your GitHub to this Google Colab, is automatically saved in your GitHub profile. You can also print it. So this is lots of things, lots of util functions you can do in this Google Colab. And you can also restart the runtime. For example, this is connected to our Google centers or Google servers. And if you want to restart your Google repository or Google Colab notebook, you just need to click restart runtime here. And if you want to disconnect and delete, now this, when you run this disconnect and delete runtime, all the file that you uploaded here is deleted. So for example, in previous section I upload, or in this previous tutorial I clone a GitHub repo, I download a files by using wget, and when I run this and when I use this disconnect and delete runtime, all the file is deleted. So keep in mind that when your runtime is deleted, or basically when you close this repo, your runtime is deleted automatically. Your file is automatically deleted also. So keep in mind that. You can also restart all the cells. So for example, you want to rerun all the cell, you just restart it automatically. So all the cell is automatically run one by one simultaneously. And there is a lot of option here: run all, run before, run selection, run after. And one more thing I need to show to you. So for example, this is currently running on CPUs. So when you click on it, you can see that there is a system ran or this disk. So basically you are currently running on a decent CPU. Google Colab also provide a free GPU, a free medium-sized GPU, so you can also use that. So to enable this, what you need to do is just type, just go to notebook settings, and you can see that there is hardware accelerator here. So there's T4 GPU, basically TPUs. There's T4 GPUs. There's TPU, basically graphic processing unit provided by Google is TPU. They're dedicated hardwares. Now this A100 and V100 is very expensive GPUs, so this is not provided in this free tier. You need to purchase this. You need to purchase the subscription of this Google Colab notebook by going into this purchase section. But for this free tier, you can use a basic GPU. So just click on the GPU, and you need to restart your runtime that I explained to the previously. So okay that, and when you click save here, now this servers is, or this CPU and GPU is rerunning or reconnecting because you change the configuration of it. And after initializing this CPUs, you can see that, let's see that you get your RAM, you get your GPU RAM, and you get your disk. So as you can see that now your disk size is little bit, or basically 20 GB is detected, or 20 to 30 GB is detected because you increase your GPU RAM. So there is some sacrifice you need to make in this free tier. So that's why if you are a decent researcher or a researcher in a company, you can buy this Google Colab subscription. So that's the thing you need to learn about Google Colab before diving into the ML journey. So this is basic, and this is enough for now. Now one more thing, if you want to upload some file here, you need to just click here this upload to session storage option, and just this is basically a stock market file of a Mara company. So let's double click on it, and there is a progress bar here, and there is CSV file like successfully imported here or uploaded here. So this is a CSV file that is automatically formatted for you. So you can also upload lots of files or any types of file in this Google Colab notebook, and you can do any operations you want with the help of this Python code into the file that you uploaded here. So that's all the things I want to show to you, and all the things I want to demonstrate to you in this Google Colab section. Now this is fairly enough, and basically enough for our journey in this course. And when you do lots of code in this ML, when you do lots of coding in this ML journey in this course, you starting learning lots of things about Google Colab notebook also. So there's continuous learning of this Google Colab throughout this course. So that's all for this section, guys, and I recommend you to create a Google Colab account and set up a Google Colab notebook and create a basic notebook, perform the operations that I show to you. Download your Google Colab with the you can also download the Python scripting basic Python file of it. So download the Python file of it, upload the previous notebook that you saved, create a new notebook, and there is a lot of things you can do. So play with these functions, and meet you in the next section. Until then, bye bye, and enjoy deep learning.